everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Shweta, and if you're someone who's following me from quite a time will know that how much I love eyeliner hacks. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys some eyeliner hacks which are super quick and easy, and you can surely pick one which suits you the most. Also, I'm getting quite confused what kind of content would you like to see more, so please let me know in the comment section so that I can create videos as per your wish. Let me know if you want to see my videos in Hindi as well, because I feel some of my audience would like my content more if it's in Hindi. So if it's right, if it's true, do let me know in comment section so that I can make videos in Hindi as well. Now before we get started, as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to press the bell icon so that you get notification every time I upload a new video. For my first hack, all you need is a makeup brush. So basically we get this kind of brush along with the eyeshadow palette, which I feel are quite useless because I never use these brushes. I mean, how do you blend with these brushes? So what you can do is use this, apply a proper wing liner. How you'll do that is take the brush and a pair of scissors and just cut it diagonal. Yeah, that's all. Now apply some liner or shadow on the brush. And it's done. Just fill in. This is just so simple. Just fill in the gaps. It's already looking so good. It's super simple and easy, and I'm just loving how my liner turned out to be. All you need is this brush, that's all, and you can definitely ace a wing liner game. Just place it properly and swipe it down, and that's all. So the first hack is done. It is super easy and amazing. I love how it turned out to be, and it's just one product. You just need this brush and you just have to place your liner. You can either use your liquid liner or pen liner and fill in the brush with the same and just drag it down. So our second hack is not really a hack. This is something which I discovered long time back, and I suggest this to most of my students and most of people who are beginners and who wants to apply a proper wing liner. This is something you must have because this will make your life super easy. So I came across this eyeliner. This is a pen eyeliner from L'Oreal. It is like super old. The name is also, I don't know, there's no name also. It is so old that everything has just wiped out. I have just kept it because of this stencil. So they have this stencil attached to the pen liner. Put up the name and link in the description so you guys can check it out. So the best part is also that you can use the stencil with any liner. Where you want the wing, just place the stencil there and start applying. Now let's see. See, I've got a proper wing liner doing nothing. It just hardly took me like 5 to 10 seconds and it's done already. Now all you need to do is fill in. And here's my perfect winged eyeliner. I hardly took like total of 20 seconds to do this eye. I'll do the other eye also and show you guys. Then I'm doing both the eyes on screen are for those people who always come in my comment section and say do both the eyes won't match. This hack is looking good just because you did one eye, do other eye also. Hello guys, you can do this. There's no rocket science. If you're doing it on one eye, you can do it on other eye as well. Both the sides totally took me like 30 to 40 seconds, that's all. And how pretty my eyes are looking. I mean, applying a liquid liner so quickly, impossible. So I would suggest you guys to definitely invest in this. If you are able to find this on Amazon, you can just go for the stencil rather than buying the eyeliner. But if you want a pen liner also, this is a good investment. So for our next hack, you'll need a duct tape. You can use something like this, and I won't really suggest. I have seen people using tapes like the tapes which we used to stick gift wrappers. I won't really suggest you to use them because when you pull them out, you pull hair also. It is painful. Like the hair won't come out obviously, but it will just stick to it. Will be very painful for you. So I won't suggest you to use any random tape, duct tape or a micro tape, something like this. Just cut to pieces. So take your lower lash line and your eyebrow edge as a guideline and stick it there. So if you are placing it with this guideline, don't just randomly place it anywhere. Place it exactly where I told you. I know how difficult it is for a beginner to apply liquid liners. I mean, doing it with a free hand and getting proper wing is quite difficult. So what you can do is you can follow this hack. Just apply the tape, use your liquid liner. Talk about this liner I'm using. It's quite bad. I mean, I don't usually say such things, but this one is really bad. I bought it because it was very cheap. I guess it was just for 200 or something, and I wanted to give it a try. This one is from Lakme 9 to 5 eyeliner, liquid liner. So I randomly bought it because I was like, it looks good. The tip of this liner is very, very thick. So if you want to apply a wing liner, it would be very difficult with such a tip. I won't really suggest you guys to buy this one for sure. Just pull out the tape. Nice. I love how it turned out. Super easy and quick, and you don't have to struggle with the liner to get the proper edge. And also this trick can be used if you are someone who's new to eyeshadows. You can do the same. Just put on this tape and do your eyeshadow as well. You can do your eye makeup and just pull it off so that you get this clean edge and you'll get a proper sharp eyeshadow angle as well. Now for my fourth hack, which is basically not a hack, it is a super simple and quick trick for you guys. Make 3 lines on your eye. So on middle of your eye, make a small line like this. Here make a medium line, and on the end, like on the edge, make a bigger line like this. It will be small, medium and then large, and now all you got to do is connect them. Take the top part of all 3 lines and you're done with the first step. Now all you have to do is make a small triangle on the edge. And you're done. That's all. This is one of my favorite tricks. It hardly takes some time to do it and you get the perfect wing liner. So if you guys have seen, I have showed you wing liner in different ways also. Like one was going up, another one was going slant. This is like sleeping eyeliner. You can pick as per your choice. You can try all the styles and pick as per your face style. So these were super simple and easy, tried and tested hacks and tips for you guys. If you guys found it helpful, it was worth it, make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Also do let me know what would you guys like to see next, because I'm quite confused like what content I should shoot. So please help me out guys. And that's all. See you guys next time. Bye.